So as you can see on the Rabbit, there's no real good way to get this tool in here to get the lower ball joint. There's just no space. So that's where the forks are going to come in handy. Just got to look for which one is going to fit in here. That's an 18, so I got that loosened. Let me pause this for a minute. So the good thing, it actually says tie rod on there, ball joint, so we're going to use this one for that. Pitman arm, so they actually tell you. So yeah, that's kind of neat for the tie rod end on the other side, which I'm going to be doing as well. So, but I might be able to use the tool on that one. So we'll see. But let's see if it fits here. Let's see. So once I lower this one, I should be able to get this one in here. So that's pretty good.